If you feel depressed, it's best to do something about it. Depression doesn't just go away on its own. In addition to getting help from a doctor or therapist, here are 5 things you can do to feel better. But first, we should know about the definition of depression. Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. Depression causes feelings of sadness and/or a loss of interest in activities once enjoyed. Depression is a medical condition and not laziness or a temporary response to normal grief and/or discouragement. After knowing the definition, you should know about the symptoms of depression, which helps you to get rid of or overcome this mental illness. Many symptoms occur like depressed mood, sleep problems occur, change in interests. This thing happened due to low motivation, excessive guilt, significantly low energy, difficult in concentration which causes low-grade performance, changes in appetite, that is eating too much or too little, panic attacks happen suddenly, suicidal thoughts come across in mind. Now you know about the symptoms of depression, some positive skills can be useful. All of the techniques which we are going to tell purely based on scientific research and medication prescribers like psychiatrists. Do not suddenly go off your prescribed antidepressant medications without first talking to your medical provider. Practice these skills every day. It is normal that you feel unmotivated when you are halfway done. Number 1. Find small ways to help others. Helping others will give you content in life. Consider the success of helping others. It will wipe out your depression and keep you in good mood. Number 2. Find workable goals that give you a sense of accomplishment. Most people feel guilty when talking about goals because they set unreasonable or unworkable goals. A goal is set to complete if it does not depend on others. Make sure you set those goals which are manageable. Access your goals. Find out your weakness. Remember the most important aspect, that don't compare yourself with others. Believe in yourself. Number 3. Do regular exercise. Doing exercise feels you fresh and it gives you positive vibes. Regular exercise may help ease depression and anxiety by releasing feel-good endorphins, natural brain chemicals that can enhance your sense of well-being, taking your mind off worries so you can get away from the cycle of negative thoughts that feed depression and anxiety. Regular exercise has many psychological and emotional benefits too. It can help you gain confidence. Meeting exercise goals or challenges, even small ones, can boost your self-confidence. Getting in shape can also make you feel better about your appearance. Get more social interaction. Exercise and physical activity may give you the chance to meet or socialize with others. Just exchanging a friendly smile or greeting as you walk around your neighborhood can help your mood. Cope in a healthy way. Doing something positive to manage depression or anxiety is a healthy coping strategy. Number 4. Have a good sleep. This is very important aspect. Many people do not realize that staying late at night causes the depression. So keep a balanced schedule of sleeping. Number 5. Interact with positive people. Interact with those people who lift you and, most importantly, your mood. Don't isolate yourself completely because ultimately it leads to depression. If you liked this video, please share this video to your friends and family so they can get benefit from this. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos daily.
InfoAir World. Worldwide information.